and welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be doing this look featuring the Kat Von D Ladybird palette, and this palette is just so beautiful and so unique. It's a completely matte palette, and the names for these shades are just so unique. For example, one is called Unrequited, Fear Elise, Vespertine. There's just, some of them I can't even say, I'm not gonna lie, but look at this palette. It is just so pretty and so unique. So I am definitely going to be using this quite a bit, and today's look is using this plum shade, and I use these two colors right here, this one and this one, and I think that's all I used for this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. So before I do anything else, I'm going to use my eye shield, and I'm going to place that right there. And then I'm going to start by taking my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm going to stick that all over my lid. Just like so. And then, yeah, so just all the way up to the brow bone. And then after that, I'm going to take my NYX eyeshadow base in white, because I like to have my colors pop no matter what I'm using. So I'm just going to pat that in everywhere. Sorry, I made a mistake. Here we go. Yep, so that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to start with the lightest shade called Vespertine right here, and I'm going to place that pretty much everywhere, because I want these colors to be able to like glide and blend in. And when I put my base on, it tends to get a little tacky and it's harder to blend, so I'm going to start by doing that. And then after that, I'm going to take this taupe color. It's actually, let's see, what's the name? Harlow. It's Harlow, and I would just describe it as taupe, with a crease brush, and I'm going to place that all over my crease. Just like so. And I'm not going to use a lot of product, I'm just using a little bit, and I'm just going to focus on blending and blending that out. Might need just a little bit more. And the good thing about these palettes is that the colors blend very well together. Okay. I'm just going to clean off my brush and blend it a little more, because having a clean brush is convenient for this. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the shade, this like plum shade on the side, and it's called Fear. I'm going to butcher these names. She came up with these like really creative names, and I'm just not saying it right. Fear Elise, I believe. Is that the one that's named after a Beethoven song? I believe so. So I'm just putting this in my outer, the outer third of my lid, this nice plum shade here. And then I'm going to take this, alright, it's called Unrequited. And I'm going to place that on the inner part of my whole entire eyelid. So I'm going to take this crease brush again, and with the plum shade on it, and just blend this in, because I covered some of that up. Such a pretty color. Alright, so I think that's good, and now I'm just going to take a clean brush and kind of just blend everything in. I'm going to take the bright white color again and just place a little bit more of that in my inner corners. Okay, now using the NYX Fat eye marker, I'm going to just make a line on my upper lid. I have an upper lash line. I'm just going to wing that out a little. And then I can remove this. And then I'm just going to go in on my bottom lash line with this Milk Pencil by NYX. And that's just basically going to go in my waterline. And then I'm going to take this again just because I don't want to make a mess, and I tend to do that. And I'm going to go in with the plum shade again with this small brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my bottom lash line. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take some mascara and I'm going to put that on the top part of my lashes because some powder got onto my eyelashes and I just want to blacken that up. Okay, so there's one eye all completed. Now I'm going to finish the other eye off camera since I already showed you how I do it, and then I will be back. Alright guys, so here's a completed look. I have popped on some falsies and some lip gloss, and here it is. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.